Okay, so I'm here at work and I was looking through my keys and I saw the little hook that I've got here. It's like a little grapple, not a grapple hook because that's not what it does. It's like a little keychain hook that I've got going on here, climbers, but without the lock. And as you can see, the metal is a bit dull. It's a bit, you know, sort of discolored. And that gave me an idea and I thought, I work here at Vixen, surface treatment, so why not try and treat the surface of this little hook and see what happens? So we'll put it through some different media. We've got B60 ceramic, we've got aluminium oxide, and we've got the glass beads as well. So, right, let's see which one's gonna work, right? Let's go. Okay, so it's gonna go through the Vixograin 60 first, which is aluminium oxide, and I know we're gonna use the wheel blaster, but you know, just take the wheel out and it does exactly the same thing. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so obviously we're not gonna use the massive disc. Just gonna put this down here, and we'll pick it up. All right, so literally a few minutes with the Vixograin 60, you can see the difference already. Like it's etched it, it's ready. I could paint this right now, but I want to see what the glass beads and the ceramic beads do. So yeah. Look at that. Look at that for a finish. I don't even think I'm gonna put it through the B60 ceramic, to be honest. Look at that. That looks incredible. All right, so I think I've decided that I want to put it through the B60 ceramic. Just at this point, I want to see what happens and if it can get any more polished than it already looked. Look at that. That is just, you know, that's why they call it Vixosheen. It looks incredible. It's really changed this. It looks brand new. But yeah, we'll put it through the ceramic as well. All right, here we go. The Aquablast cube. Just gonna put it in here and let's see what type of results we get. Oh, it's two handles, obviously. We've already used this before. I don't know why I was so confused. So put this in here and let's see what happens. So there we go. This is the results of after being in the ceramic beads. Not much of a difference between this and the glass beads, but you know, maybe it's just given that extra little bit of shine right at the top. But I feel like the glass beads did a really good job. Better than what the Vixograin did, the aluminium oxide. So that cleaned it, but obviously this is, you know, the glass beads has just done a great job in polishing it. Okay, if you like that video, let me know in the comments and I will make more of those little household items, and obviously you can send in yours as well. And let's see what type of finish we get with the different media that we have. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff, and I will catch you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned.